after Bitcoin fell below $42,000, where will it bottom? Bitcoin investors are accustomed to the wide price swings. More recently, the crypto fell below $42,000. This is well off the $60,000 support line established between October 2021 and November. Where will Bitcoin bottom? Bitcoin trading volumes will give holders a buy or sell signal. If relative selling volume increases while the technology index falls, expect a lower entry point for Bitcoin's prices. Conversely, if volume falls and prices fall, then it suggests the number of bearish traders is falling. The live Bitcoin price today is $41,725 with a 24-hour trading volume of 29,424,196,644 We update our BTC to USD price in real time. Bitcoin is up 1.8% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 1, with a live market cap of $789,694,245,265. It has a circulating supply of 18,925,993 BTC coins and a max supply of 21 million BTC coins. There is increasing reason to believe that surprise gains, not losses, for Bitcoin will be the conclusion of the current BTC price phase. Bitcoin, BTC, broke through $42,000 on January 11th as expectations of a fresh. As on-chain analytics firm Glassnode noted in the latest edition of its weekly newsletter, The Week on-Chain, such an event is overdue. Longs have suffered almost constantly since November's $69,000 all-time highs, and squeezes further occur when the market least expects a certain outcome. Event could well be amplified thanks to tepid demand for spot BTC and futures open interest leverage, which is approaching 2% of the Bitcoin market capitalization, Glassnode continued. The top two cryptocurrencies have an uphill battle to return back to their respective all-time highs as the cryptoverse is now providing more investment opportunities that include NFTs, metaverse bets, and several altcoins that are making a run to become the next big blockchain. At press time, Bitcoin traded 37.59% below its all-time high of $68,789.63, which it touched in November, while Ethereum was down 23.6% from its highest price point of $4,891.70, reached in the same month. The price of Bitcoin fell at one point Monday to its lowest level since September, as rising rates continued leading investors to shed positions in risky, growth-oriented assets. Cryptocurrency prices have fallen steadily since November, however, with Bitcoin dropping about 40%. Bitcoin added to its losses last week, after the Federal Reserve indicated its intentions to begin reducing its balance sheet, in addition to what investors have already been preparing for its tapering of bonds and raising interest rates. The crypto market looks to be moving in line with the broader macro environment right now, most likely due to increasing overlapping institutional investor base, such as macro funds that allocate to crypto as well. Before we get into why Bitcoin is not democratic, we must first examine the core tenets of democracy and see if they are in any way compatible with the core tenets of Bitcoin. In doing so, we will discover a whole host of logical inconsistencies that Bitcoin does not share. It's being used as the holy grail of all modern rule and cooperation, and the cure for every ailment that emerges from the disease that is democracy seems to be. MOIR democracy. We must break this cycle and open our eyes in order to understand and reimagine what a world might look like on a meritocratic Bitcoin standard. Let's begin with one of the greatest confusions of the 20th century. Bitcoin, BTC, hasn't had a pretty good start to 2022 as the world's largest cryptocurrency is already down more than 10% year-to-date. The cryptocurrency has delivered a dismal performance for everyone who was expecting it to touch $100,000 levels by the end of 2021. However, it's a quite mixed bag of opinions. Another 23% of JP Morgan clients believe that BTC will be available at a 50% discount from the current levels, i.e. $20,000. While another 20% believe that Bitcoin will be trading flat at $40,000. Only a mere 5% believe that Bitcoin will be trading above $100,000 levels. The original cryptocurrency bounced off the lows of the day after falling as much as 6% to $39,774, bringing its loss this year to about 14%. The decline is the largest for a start of the year since at least 2012. It has slumped more than 40%. Cryptocurrencies are likely to remain under pressure as the US, the world's largest economy, reduces its liquidity injections, said Jay Hatfield, chief executive of US-based Infrastructure Capital Advisors. Bitcoin could end 2022 below $20,000. Bitcoin, BTC, is now trading around the $41,000 to $42,000 support zone, and although there is a lot of fear in the markets right now, there are also a lot of opportunities to profit from the current conditions. The crucial area for Bitcoin to hold for now is this entire block that we have at $41,500. If that one sustains support, I think the Bitcoin markets are eager for a retest of this $43,000 level, and if that is going to get another test after both sides have been taken out, I'm quite sure that we're going to retest $46,000. Bitcoin exposure to its all-in-one growth ETF and all-in-one balanced ETF. Fidelity also revealed it would be changing the risk ratings of Fidelity All-in-One Growth ETF and Fidelity All-in-One Growth ETF Fund to medium from low to medium. The entry of the traditional institutional sector into the cryptocurrency space resulted in the industry's growth, with assets like Bitcoin recording various all-time highs in 2021. However, in 2022, the cryptocurrency sector has experienced high volatility. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.